Orion! The king wants to send an important message!
Then we've come to the right place.
Did somebody call me?
The application layer accepts requests from users.
I know exactly what message I'm carrying. I'll stop this message. Not so fast.
Spark has 6 more workshops to visit. The application layer simply understands what users want.
Off you go! See you at the next workshop! Master Orion, I brought the message safely!
Excellent, Spark.
Wow!
The presentation layer translates data.
Haha, now I'll read the king's secret. What?
So even if someone steals me, they can't understand me.
The presentation layer encrypts data to keep it safe.
Smaller data takes less journey.
I'm tiny now!
Next shop is in Moves and Workshop.
The presentation layer compressing transmission faster and more efficiently.
Why can't I cross?
Communication can't begin until both kingdoms agree. Requesting permission to start a session. The session layer connects sender and receiver.
I'll sneak in first!
The session layer maintains a secure communication session.
Message delivered successfully!
Excellent work. Since the conversation is finished, end the communication session.
The session layer manages active connections. Warning!
Too large?
Huh?
Don't worry, Spark. The transport layer divides data. The transport layer divides data. Every packet receives a sequence number. These numbers help us put the message back together.
Even if we travel separately,
Let's see what happens if one packet
The transport layers every packet.
Alert! Containment breach in Sector 4. Transport engine lockdown initiated.
Behold the living pulse of our kingdom's grand network. The crystal guides each byte of data through the dark. Perfect harmony.
Haha! I've blocked your shortest road!
Searching for an alternate path.
what do we do now?
We don't stop, we simply choose another route. The network layer chooses another path.
I crossed the crystal bridge! I flew over the frozen mountains!
Different journeys, but we all made it. That's the power of routing. The network layer uses the data link layer.
Master Orion, why have we stopped
Every
again?
packet must be placed inside a frame.
Frame number 1, MAC address verified.
Looks like I passed.
It delivers data.
Let's damage this frame.
Good catch.
Oh no! Continue!
The data link layer checks every frame.
Replacement frame received. Frame verified. No errors detected.
I'm ready to continue! Whack!
Only error-free frames continue. Ensures error-free forwarding.
Master Orion, what's the final step?
Until now, you've been data. To travel the real world, you must become signals. Ready for your fastest journey?
Ready!
The physical layer.
Behold the light of data.
I admit it, you win.